Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to turn off data warning in your Google Pixel 7a. So, how to do that is very simple. Swipe up the screen, then go to menu, then select Settings application. After that, select Network and Internet. You can see here the first option. Okay. After that, select Internet, the first option. You can see here Internet Vodafone.in. It is my SIM. So after click on that gear icon, then you can see option of data warning and limit, the bottom of the page. You can see here. Okay, data warning and limit. Click on that. Then you can see option of set data warning here and the warning limit. So simply tap on that button. Now you are successfully turned off. Set data warning limit is off. So there is no warning messages whenever you reach the limit. Okay, it is only get if you are turned on the set data warning limit, then it will be pause your internet usage, mobile data usage whenever you reach the limit. There is no before messages. So it will be very useful because of you have 60 GB per month, and if you can set 58 GB or 55 GB, whenever you reach the 55 or 58 GB, it will be show a warning message that will almost you are use your data. So it is useful whenever you are using a limited data in your mobile phone. And in India there is so many plans with unlimited data, so Indians does not need this feature, but in foreign countries data is too high price, and this feature is very useful. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.